What's going on, guys? Alex here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a little hack that I've been using, and it's pretty much doubled my click-through rate, and I've been using it now for a few months, and it's insane the difference that it can make, and you can really differentiate yourself from the competition and make your ad much better than all the other dropshippers out there. But firstly though, I'm giving away free access to my course plus the private mentoring group. All you've got to do to enter this competition is check the link below, follow my new Instagram account, because in the next few days I'm going to be picking a random follower and you get access to my course plus the private mentor group completely for free. So if you're interested in that, then be sure to check out the link below. But firstly, let's get into the content. So about 5 months ago I came across an ad from a business called Modernist Look, and I think they're like a dropshipping store that have like kind of transitioned to a brand, and they're holding inventory for their winning product, and they've got great video ads, and it really, when I was scrolling through my newsfeed, their ad massively stood out to me. It's also got pretty insane engagement as well, like thousands of likes and hundreds of comments. So you know this ad is successful. And if we just click play now, you'll see why the ad's so good. So as you can see here, they've got like moving GIFs, so like emojis which are like animated and are moving within the video. So as you can see here and there. So if we just skip to the end, you can see here again there's GIFs that they've implemented in their video, which are like animated and moving. And this is what caused me to click on this ad. So I was scrolling through my newsfeed, and these massively stood out to me and looked way better than your typical dropshipping ad. So if we just check out like a normal dropshipping ad. So as you can see here, like they've got like a little emoji here and a bar across here. Now this looks nowhere near as engaging as the previous ad that we just looked at. So this is what like 99.9% of dropshippers do, and it's a really saturated way of making the video ad, and it doesn't really capture the attention of your viewers anymore, especially in 2019. So you need to differentiate yourself. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create an ad that's super engaging like this ad and will massively increase your click-through rate, because even if all parts of your funnel remain the same, so you get the same amount of purchases, add to carts and so forth, if you double your click-through rate, then you're going to get twice as much traffic to your store. And if you're getting twice as much traffic, then it will lead to twice as many sales. So you're going to make twice the amount of money with just this simple hack that I'm going to show you. Okay, so now I'm going to show you step by step how to create a really engaging video ad for a product. So let's just say for this example that we want to test this product here. So it's an indestructible shoe. I'm pretty sure it's a winning product. It's going viral a lot across social media. So it's definitely a product worth testing. So as you can see here, for this supply, they've actually got video content here. So there's different ways you can go about getting your video content. When you're testing products, you want to test quickly. You don't want to be ordering in the product and creating video ads yourself just when you're testing a product, because you can waste weeks of your time, and then if that product doesn't work, you've just wasted so much time. So what you want to do is either find suppliers who have video content on their AliExpress product page, so as you can see this supplier does, or you can go to Facebook and type in the name of the product, so indestructible shoes, then click on videos here, and as you can see there'll be a huge list of videos promoting this product. And I can guarantee you like 99% of these videos are like taken from other sources. So it's okay to use these video clips and splice them up and add them as part of your video ad when testing products. So what I do is I just go through the list and look for ads which have high view count, because normally the more views the better and more engaging the ad is. So this one's got 1.5 million views here, and it's got way more than all the other ones, so I'll just check this out. Okay, so I found some good quality video content. As you can see, the image quality and the video quality is good. It's obviously got a lot of engagement on this ad, 17,000 likes, thousands of comments, so you know this ad is working and it's doing its job. So what I'm going to do is use some of this footage, splice it into my own video, make it my own, but actually make it a lot better than what's actually shown here. So my chances of success in scaling this product are massive. Okay, so what you want to do is find multiple videos which have good content for this product. So here we've got one, and here we've got one as well. So you can see the video content's consistently good for this product. So now what we want to do is just right click here and then click copy video URL at current time. And then what we want to do is paste this into a website called downvids.net. So just paste it into here, the link, and then click download. So now what you've got is you've got this video downloaded. Now you can simply upload it to your video editing software and you can amend it accordingly to make it your own and to make it much, much better. Okay, so now with regards to the GIFs, so you can get these moving GIFs on your video ad as well to make it much better and to increase your click-through rate. What you want to do is go over to a website called giphy.com and just type in like emoji, and you'll get loads of like emoji GIFs that you can potentially use. Okay, so as you can see, there'll be loads of different like emojis or moving emojis that you can use. Also, what I like to use is Google as well. Let's say I wanted like, oh my god, emoji, and then I'll just put GIF at the end, and then I'll just click on images, and then you just click one and then one that you like the look of. So as you can see, we've got a moving emoji here, and there's absolutely loads you can choose from, so definitely have a look around. You can try different ones as well, like heart. So we've got another GIF here that we could potentially use. So things like this massively will make your ads stand out much more than other dropshippers. Okay, so in order to get this GIF into your video ad is we need to do a screen recording. Now, if all you do is just right click and then click save image and then upload this GIF to your video editing software, what will happen is it'll be uploaded as a still image. Now, obviously that defeats the purpose of the whole thing. So what you need to do is actually screen record. So what you can do is, I'm using Camtasia at the minute, or you can use QuickTime and just click right click and then click new screen recording and then upload that to your video editing software. There's loads of different ways you can do screen recordings, and then once you've got that up into your video editing software, you need to crop this out, all the rest of the screen, and only leave the animated GIF. So I'm going to show you this now actually in my video editing software so you know exactly what you're doing. Okay, so as you can see, I've uploaded the video content here to my video editing software. Now in this video I'm using Camtasia. It's a great video editing software. It may be difficult to do this GIF thing with basic iMovie. You may need to upgrade something like Camtasia or Adobe Premiere Pro. There's lots of like cheap alternatives and different video editing softwares out there, so definitely do your research to find a good one that suits you. So what I've done is uploaded this video content here, and I've also uploaded the screen recording from the GIF that we just took from Google. So what I'll do is I'll pull this in here. And then as you can see, this screen recording is now gone over the top of the video. So obviously we don't want it to look like this. So what I'm going to do now is just crop out all the other stuff from the screen recording and just leave in what we want, and that's the emoji. So as you can see now, we've got an emoji in there. Now what we want to do is duplicate this. We want two of these. So I'll just click copy here, and then I'll paste media at playhead, and then what we should have now is exactly two of those. So now what I'm going to do is add in a bar at the top where I can put something like who needs this or buy this now or something like that, which is going to capture attention. So what I'll do is go on annotations here, and I'm just going to click this and just drag it in, like this at the top here, and pull this across. And then what I want to do is change the text to something like who needs this. And I'll just make that a little bit better, so I'll put it in, change the text to Arial Black, and then also want to change the colour of the text, something which is going to stand out, and you want something that's congruent with the rest of your Shopify store's theme. So if you've got like purple on your store, then have it as purple on here. So now all you got to do is just drag over your emojis. So what you want to do is right click, arrange, and bring to front, and then right click, arrange, and click bring to front, just so when you drag it across it goes over the top and not underneath. So you just got to play around with it so it all fits in nicely and it looks like perfect. We'll do the same here. Okay, so now if we click play, what we're going to do is also drag this out so it goes throughout the length of the video. So now if we click play, what we've got is moving emojis at the top of the video here. So as you can see, it just stands out a lot more. And when someone's scrolling through their screen and they see this, it will capture their attention. Now you can put other emojis on as well. Obviously I've done this very, very quickly. Normally when I'm testing products, I'll add in some more emojis that will grab attention as well, maybe throughout the video and across here. So this is just to show you quickly the potential that implementing this has, and it will massively increase your click-through rate and therefore help you make a lot more money with your ads. That's it for today, guys. I hope you've learned a lot in this video, and I hope you implement this little hack into your video ads as soon as possible so you can really differentiate yourself from the competition. And remember, if you want to win free access to my course plus the private mentoring group, be sure to check the link below, follow my Instagram, and I'll be picking a winner shortly. And if you're new here, remember to subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future content and you're first to watch it. And I'll see you in the next video.